distance, of course 3 point. Yesterday you guys have a triangle, right? And they ask you, well, is that triangle isosceles? The triangle is equilateral. Isosceles means what? 2 sides equal to each other. Equilateral means what? 3 sides equal to each other. Or that triangle, a right triangle means what? 1 side square plus another side square equal to the other side square. Pythagorean theorem. Okay? I don't like that, but it's all around this formula right here, and I think that's good enough. Let me move on to the last item for the day. We took care of the distance formula. Now let's talk about midpoint formula. Again, you have 2 points on the plane, right? And now we don't want to calculate distance anymore. This time we want to locate the point M, and this point M is right in the middle of the 2 given points. So M right here is called XY. How do you find that point? So another way, you have to find the X coordinate and Y coordinate of M. M is right in the middle of point number 1 and point number 2. And geometrically, you see what? The coordinates of M is going to be right in the middle, right? So the first point is 1, 2. Right here, the second point is 4, 5. So X coordinate of M going to be somewhere between 1 and 5, right in the middle of 1 and 5, which is 3. And the Y coordinate of M going to be right in the middle of 2 and 4, which is 3. So the midpoint M is going to be 3, 3. Okay. So how do you find that point? You see that 3 right here is really the average of 1 and 5. Right? 3 right here, X equal to 3. You go to 1 plus 5 over 2. Okay, it's 3. And for the Y coordinate of M is what? That second 3 right here. It's right in the middle of 2 and 4. So Y is what? 3, which is what? 2 plus 4 over 3. Okay. The average of the X coordinate and the Y coordinate. Then you got a midpoint. Okay, so let me just write out a formal formula for the midpoint, and we call it a day. Number 2, midpoint formula. Given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. The midpoint M, x, y of the 2 given points is determined by M x y is equal to, it is a point, right? 2 coordinate. x1 plus x2 over 2 for the x coordinate, and then y1 plus y2 over 2 for the y. Means what? The x coordinate of M is the average of the x coordinates, and then the y coordinate for the midpoint M is the average of the 2 y coordinates. And let me box this. Okay, so pretty much, let me stop right here for the work of the first week. We covered 3 sections, 1.5, 1.6, and 2.1. Thank you for watching, everyone. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me, to ask me. I will try my best to answer your question as soon as I can. Have a good day and stay safe. Bye-bye.